Hey everyone, it's Reed. And yes, I've been gone a little while, and we're going to get back in the swing of things. Today I figured we'd do a quick fire review. I'm going to make my dinner, which is going to be grilled fish. I'm going to grill some squash from the garden and stuff. And also I'm going to get my green chili roasted. I figured we could do a fire review using a ferrocerium rod. Now, this is fire under ideal conditions, because I had to do some woodwork, and these are shavings from using a hand plane. So this is perfect kindling to get this going real quick. But a quick fire review is always good. Then we'll go into the grilling. I'll show you how we prepare green chili, get it roasted and saved for tasty goodness. Let's do this real quick. All right here, all the kindling set. We got some really good dry wood to put into this. We'll have a very quick fire. Let's kind of stack it over here. All right, we got everything ready here. Grab a ferrocerium rod, big one, little one, and a little striker. This will work great. Now, I've used these ones a lot. As you can see, this one is horribly, hideously abused. We'll see if I can get it real quick on this one. It might be easier for the bigger one. We'll see. All right, that's fire. Under ideal conditions, it goes pretty quick. Just, like 30 seconds or so. And that's what you see a lot of those people make those vids on is, fire, how easy this is and quick. Ideal conditions? Oh yeah, goes well. However, lots of times we have to do this under very unideal conditions. We'll do some reviews on that when the weather's ugly, rain, wetness, all sorts of stuff. We'll get onto that. But now, to get this ready and going. So, there you go, fire review. Next step, roasting things. So I'll see you back in a little bit when this is ready. All right, here we go. We got the fire in the grill here, and we got some of the green chili here, and we got a bunch of it. What we're gonna do, throw it right here on the coals. I lifted one of the grates out, so it's just right to the coals here. And what we do, green chili on the coals. Whoops, gotta adjust one. And we're just going to char these guys up real good. And I'm trying to hold the camera and do it and move things around, and I'm not that skilled sometimes. Still learning all this. And boy, does that smell good. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get this all charred up. Yeah, it's gonna look kind of crazy, just all charred up. We're gonna put them in a Ziploc bag, let them self-steam, and the skin will loosen. We'll show you the whole process here. All right, so let me get these all grilled up, and I'll show you the next step when we're ready. We're back, everyone. Here we go. So this is the kind of char we're looking for. Yeah, I know. Looks crazy, right? That's what I want. Deep char. Now, we put them in bags, okay? Some in bags already here. They're steaming. And in a little bit, we'll get them out, and the skin will just come right off. Now, what really stinks is a lot of green chili you buy in the can and out of the place of stores, they don't bother to get the skin off. Hate it. So, make it myself. All right. We'll show you what the final product looks like in just a little bit. All right, everyone, we're inside, and sorry for the noise in the background. The washer's going, so we're just going to have to put up with it. Now, over here, we got meat, and sometimes you're going to get a little bit of skin left over, and then we got skin over here. Now, these are after, so what happens is you just kind of grab and you start pulling, and they just come apart. Now, we accidentally, because of all the other stuff going on outside, we let them sit a little longer than they should have. So they're not as easy as you do this hot. All right, when they're hot, it comes out a little better. These have cooled down a little bit and stuff. So it's not coming off as well, but it's coming off okay. So we just kind of go around and get all this off. Now, you will end up with a little bit left behind. That's happens. You're not going to get 100%. But it's better than a lot of the stuff you're seeing in the cans or at a lot of the restaurants these days. I don't know. They don't spend any time trying to get the skin off. And honestly, I hate it. It just tastes horrible that way. I find the skin to be very bitter, gets in your teeth, just really affects the flavor of the food. So I do wish they would actually spend more time cleaning the chilies. And so we go around. Oops, having a little trouble on this one. Give me a second, guys. We just try to get as much as we can. And we'll have a little char left. But that's okay. That's okay. As long as we at least have most of it cleaned up and stuff, whatever's left behind you can sort out with your fork. And such. But you know, it's good authentic. You know, you can tell this was done by hand, you know. People caring about their food, trying to get this ready. Now, we ran into one problem while doing this, is Lee did not wear gloves while she was helping get things ready. We were cutting out some of the little bad spots and some of the stuff that the insects had decided to share with us. And turns out that the pepper, that these green chilies this year are a little warm. She basically thought she had been, CS gassed. She was having a hard time, She was telling me she thought she was going to need me to run her to the ER. She was hating it. So be careful. Wear gloves. You never know if the chili's going to be really hot or not. Well, anyways, I'll keep cleaning this up. But that's what you do. You get them out of the bags, get stuff cleaned up, and there you go. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this is educational. Hopefully you can laugh at me later or something. But hopefully you find this useful and you can try it out. I like the flavor this way. Yes, you do lose a little bit of the meat. That happens. But it makes such a rich flavor. So you need a fair amount of green chili to pull this off. Okay, take care, everyone. Read out.